Acer is back at Computex 2026 with some amazing devices that I've been checking out, starting with the Acer Swift Air 14 that I've got in my hand. Comes in this amazing color. We've also got a new handheld device as well for gaming. So we have the Atlas 8 handheld, which is powered by up to Intel Arc G3 Extreme. Absolutely powerful, amazing device. And also a new Predator Helios 18 AI. Let's have a look in more detail.
We all know the standard handheld trade-offs. You want great performance? Get ready for a device that weighs as much as a brick and sounds like a jet engine. You want a beautiful display? Say goodbye to the battery life. The Atlas 8 claims to tackle these pain points head-on with an 8-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz display, a massive battery, and a powerful yet efficient chip to match. The Predator Atlas 8 features the brand new Intel Arc G3 or Arc G3 Extreme processor. This chip is a massive deal for the portable space. The Arc G series is built specifically to address the tight power windows of a handheld device, ensuring sustained performance under heavy gaming loads without instantly cooking the system. On the visual side, the chip drives the latest Intel Xe3 graphics architecture. To ensure every AAA scenes maintain fluid frame rates, the Atlas 8 utilizes XeSS3 and AI-powered multi-frame generation technology. XeSS3 uses on-device artificial intelligence upscaling to artificially insert clean, accurate frames into your games. This is how a portable form factor can push smooth frame rates in demanding titles like Forza Horizon 6 or Diablo 4 while maintaining strict power efficiency. To feed that hungry Arc G3 processor, Acer isn't cutting corners on supporting components. You can configure the device with up to 24GB of LPDDR5X memory, operating at a blistering 7,467 MT per second. In a handheld where the system memory is shared directly with the graphics processor, having that much speed and bandwidth is a massive win for preventing frame drops. For your games library, you're getting up to 1TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe M.2 SSD to ensure loading screens are practically non-existent, and you can expand this as well using a micro SD card too. When it comes to handheld thermos, you can put the fastest processor in the world in a piece of plastic, but if you can't get the heat away from the silicon, your game is going to turn into a slideshow after 10 minutes. Thermal throttling is the ultimate enemy of the portable gamer. Acer's response to this is a proprietary cooling solution called Predator AeroBlade. The Atlas 8 introduces the industry's first ultra-thin metal fan for use inside an actively cooled handheld gaming PC. The primary fan features a staggering 8 to 9 precision engineered metal blades, each measuring an incredibly thin 0.1mm in thickness. This metal construction allows the blade to be significantly thinner and more rigid than traditional plastic blades, allowing them to slide through the air with far less resistance. This cutting-edge metal fan doesn't work alone. It's paired with a sophisticated dual fan array featuring a secondary high-efficiency plastic fan. Together, they form a push-pull thermal system driven by what Acer calls vortex flow. Vortex flow uses precisely angled internal channels mapped out inside the chassis to cleanly guide fresh air directly across the arc components and exhaust it through the top vents before heat soak can build up. The result is a documented 10% increase in total airflow compared to a standard plastic fan setup. This keeps the frame rate stable during sustained play. For the display, the Atlas 8 sports an 8-inch Full HD Plus touch display, boasting a crisp resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels. One of the best design choices here is a shift to 16:10 aspect ratio. Traditionally, 16:9 widescreens can feel incredibly cramped on a small mobile device. By adding that extra vertical room, you get significantly more usable real estate on the screen for maps, menus, inventories, and head-up displays without blocking your view of the gameplay action. For high-speed action, the panel operates at a native 120Hz refresh rate with full variable refresh rate support. If you're playing on trains, planes, or in terminal lounges, ambient lights can completely ruin your experience. The Atlas 8 fights back with 500 nit peak brightness. Furthermore, the screen is covered in premium Corning Gorilla Glass Victors fused with DXE optical coating technology. The Victors layer provides high-level drop and scratch resistance for rugged daily travel, while the DXE coating actively reduces surface reflections and glare. Color-wise, it covers 100% of the sRGB color space, meaning your expansive environment will look punchy and deeply immersive. Next, let's move on to how you actually interact with your games, because Acer has integrated a physical control innovation that is total game changer. It's called dual mode adjustable triggers. Usually, when you buy a controller or handheld, you have to choose between these two styles of triggers: deep analog travel for racing games, or internal micro switch clicks for competitive first-person shooters. Well, the Atlas 8 gives you both via a physical adjustable trigger switch located right on the back of the device. You flip it one way, your triggers use a hyper-responsive micro switch response with minimal travel for lightning-fast shooter inputs. Flip it the other way, and the mechanism instantly unlocks into full travel, high-precision Hall effect analog control. The good news is because this is purely hardware driven physical switch, you don't have to pause your game or open up a clunky software overlay. You just flip the mechanical switch and off you go. For the rest of the controller layout, you have standard dual full-size analog joysticks, a tactical D-pad, ABXY face buttons, left and right bumpers, and a programmable left and right macro buttons nestled into the rear. The device also integrates dual 6-axis IMU gyroscopes for precision motion aiming tracking. For the software and battery tech, well, because this runs on a complete version of Windows 11 Home, having an intuitive interface to navigate via a controller is absolutely vital. Acer has included a dedicated Predator Sense physical button right on the front face of the device. Pressing it gives you instant, low latency access to an overlay where you can control your entire system on the fly. Through this menu, you can easily jump between distinct power efficiency profiles, so quiet mode for silent operation during light tasks, balance mode for everyday gaming, and turbo mode for unlocking maximum power limits across the silicon. To keep you playing away from an outlet, the flagship configuration packs up to 80 watt-hour 4-cell lithium-ion battery. For users who want a slightly lighter everyday carry, there will also be a scaled-down 60 watt-hour battery option that drops the overall weight of the unit below 770 grams. Finally, for connectivity and ports, well, we have Wi-Fi 7 Intel killer module inside with Bluetooth 5.4 as well. And then for the physical ports, we have dual Thunderbolt 4 ports, meaning you can charge your device while simultaneously running high-speed external desktop docks, multi-monitor display outputs, or even an external desktop eGPU configuration. You also get a UHS 2 microSD card reader for instant storage expansion and a physical power button that doubles up as rapid fingerprint biometric reader. For Computex 2026, Acer also introduced the new Acer Swift Air 14, which is a massive win for students, creators on a budget, or anyone who just needs a reliable premium everyday machine without breaking a bank. Right out of the gate, the first thing you notice when you pick it up is the build quality. Acer did not skimp here. It features a gorgeous, sleek, all-metal aluminum chassis with a CNC diamond cut cover that gives it a seriously refined premium finish. But while it feels solid, it is incredibly portable. We're talking just 12.9mm thin and weighing at a mere 1.19 kilograms. You can easily slide this into your backpack and completely forget it's even there. Plus, it has a 180-degree hinge that lets the screen lay completely flat, which is great for flexible viewing positions or sharing your screen with someone sitting across from you. When you flip it open, you're greeted by a really immersive 14-inch 16:10 display. It's got a 1920 by 1200 resolution, covers 100% of the sRGB color gamuts, and punches out a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling through documents, managing family photos, or streaming your favorite shows, everything looks incredibly crisp and fluid. And for entertainment, Acer paired this screen with a spatial quad speaker setup tuned with DTS-X Ultra audio. The sound separation is fantastic for a laptop this slim. For performance, it's powered by the new Intel Core Series 3 processors, featuring up to 6 CPU cores, Intel Arc graphics, and an integrated NPU for AI-enhanced experiences. You can spec this up with up to 16GB of fast LPDDR5X memory and up to 512GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. If you're upgrading from a 4 or 5-year-old laptop, the performance jump is massive. Everyday multitasking, schoolwork, and light content creation should feel completely effortless. Acer also integrated a ton of smart software to make life easier. You have a dedicated Copilot key on the keyboard for quick AI assistance. There is Acer Sense for quickly managing your hardware settings, and the Acer Intelligence Space where you can quickly dive into a bunch of AI-powered tools. For the hybrid workflow, the 1080p Full HD infrared camera features facial recognition for secure instant logins. A physical privacy shutter is there as well, and Acer's Purified View and Purified Voice tech to keep your video calls looking sharp and sounding dead silent in the background. Battery life is another huge highlight. Acer says this machine can go up to 19 hours on video playback or up to 16 hours of web browsing. And finally, you also get plenty of ports for such an ultra-thin laptop. You get 2 dual Thunderbolt 4 Type-C ports, a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type 8 port, a headphone jack, and a top-tier wireless connectivity with Wi-Fi 6E. Next, if you're an enthusiast gamer or creator looking for an uncompromising desktop replacement or alternative, this monster was built for you. The Predator Helios 18 AI features an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor 290HX Plus, Nvidia's Blackwell-based GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU, and a dual-mode mini LED display. Fantastic. But the real star is the graphics card. The RTX 5090 configuration packs a massive 24GB of GDDR7 VRAM and delivers a staggering 1,824 local AI TOPS, nearly triple the AI horsepower of a 4090. This runs Nvidia's brand new DLSS 4.5, featuring dynamic multi-frame generation, giving you a rock-solid FPS and cinematic ray tracing. Combined with advanced Optimus and MUX switch, it dynamically balances all this power to save your 99 watt-hour battery. Its 18-inch mini LED display pushes a massive 1000 nits of HDR brightness and 100% DCI-P3 Kalman verified color accuracy. Even better, it features a dual mode panel. You can easily toggle between a stunning 4K at 120Hz for cinematic gaming and content creation, or drop to Full HD at 240Hz for ultra smooth competitive esports gameplay. To keep these high-end parts from thermal throttling, Predator used their 6th gen AeroBlade 3D fans, featuring the world's thinnest 0.5mm metal blades. Paired with regular vector heat pipes and liquid metal thermal grease, you get a 20% increase in airflow to maintain maximum clock speeds. For input, you get Magic Key 4.0 giving you WASD and AeroKey's swappable mechanical switches with magnetic actuation. It registers presses with just 0.7mm of key travel. Audio is powered by the patented Predator Vox system, a 6-speaker near-field array that increases sound power by 10 decibels for full spectrum clarity. This sounds absolutely fantastic. Finally, it's packed with dual Thunderbolt 5 ports, Wi-Fi 7 and a killer double-shot Pro networking. For me, the Predator Helios 18 AI is the ultimate no-compromise desktop replacement.
So there you have it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below and check out Acer for more.